Imagine a hidden city beneath the one you know, a place where people wear masks, secrets are traded, and the rules are different. This isn't a fantasy, it's real, and it's called the dark web. It's a part of the internet that most of us never see, but it's buzzing with activity. Today, we're going to explore what the dark web is, how to access it, and whether it's safe. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert to understand this. Let's break it down together. To access the dark web, you need a special key, a browser called Tor. Tor stands for the onion router. Why an onion? Because, just like an onion has layers, Tor wraps your internet activity in layers of encryption to keep you anonymous. Think of it like sending a letter in a series of envelopes, each one opened by a different person along the way. By the time it reaches its destination, no one knows where it started. Here's how it works. When you use Tor, your internet traffic doesn't go directly to the website you're visiting. Instead, it bounces through at least 3 random servers around the world, called nodes. Each node only knows where the data came from and where it's going next, but not the full path. This makes it incredibly hard for anyone to track you. Now, you might be wondering, is Tor safe? Well, it's like walking through a crowded marketplace. If you keep your wallet close and avoid shady corners, you'll probably be fine. Tor itself is a powerful tool for privacy, but it doesn't make you invincible. There are risks, like stumbling onto malicious websites, scams, or even illegal activities. And yes, hackers and law enforcement are also on the dark web, so you need to be careful. To stay safe, always use Tor with a VPN, a virtual private network, which adds an extra layer of security. Avoid downloading files or sharing personal information. And remember, just because you can access something on the dark web doesn't mean you should. So, what's actually on the dark web? It's a bit like a double-edged sword. On one side, there are illegal marketplaces where people sell drugs, weapons, and stolen data. It's the kind of stuff you see in movies, and yes, it's real. But that's not the whole story. On the other side, the dark web is a lifeline for people living under oppressive governments. Journalists, whistleblowers, and activists use it to share information without fear of being tracked or silenced. For example, platforms like SecureDrop allow people to leak sensitive documents anonymously. So, while the dark web has a dark side, it's also a tool for good. Why do people use the dark web? For some, it's about survival. Imagine living in a country where the government blocks social media, censors news, and monitors your every move online. The dark web gives people in these situations a way to access uncensored information and communicate freely. It's like a digital underground railroad. For others, it's about privacy. Maybe you don't want companies tracking your every click, or maybe you're just someone who values their anonymity. The dark web offers a space where you can browse without being watched. If you're curious about the dark web and want to explore it, that's okay, but you need to be smart about it. Stick to reputable directories, avoid clicking on suspicious links, and never, ever engage in illegal activities. The dark web can be a powerful tool, but it's also a place where danger lurks in the shadows. Remember, curiosity is natural, but safety comes first. If you're not sure about something, it's better to step back and do more research. The dark web isn't a playground, it's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The dark web is a fascinating, complex, and often misunderstood part of the internet. It's a place where freedom and danger coexist, where anonymity can be both a shield and a weapon. Whether you're exploring it out of curiosity or necessity, always remember, knowledge is power, but responsibility is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the digital world. Stay curious, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.